2025 started with a promise. This year, I will change everything. You took some resolutions. You said you'd join the gym, use your phone less, focus more, take your life seriously. But now, when you look back, did anything really change? The truth is, nothing did. Same habits, same distractions, same late-night scrolling, same "I'll start tomorrow." And the most dangerous part? This isn't new. You thought the same in 2024, the same in 2023, and the years before that. Every year, a new calendar arrives, but your life keeps repeating the same pattern. Now pause for a second. Because 2026 has also started. With new resolutions, new motivation, new plans. But motivation isn't the problem. The real question is, will this year actually be different? Or will it be the same routine again? Same comfort zone, same excuses, same regret at the end of the year. If you're tired of this cycle, just listen to this. On this channel, RECORE You, we talk about self-improvement, mindset, discipline, and rebuilding yourself from the inside, so that this year doesn't get wasted like the others. And remember, conquering yourself is greater than winning 1,000 battles. Because the real fight is not with the world. The real fight is with your own mind. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, subscribe to our channel and get ready to change your life this year.